Here are 10 facts about credit cards that could be beneficial to teach in school. What is a credit card? A credit card is a plastic card issued by a financial institution that allows the cardholder to borrow funds to make purchases with merchants that accept them. How does a credit card work? When you use a credit card to make a purchase, you're borrowing money from the credit card issuer. You're expected to repay the borrowed amount, often with interest, by a certain due date. What is the difference between a credit card and a debit card? A credit card allows you to borrow money from the card issuer, whereas a debit card deducts funds directly from your checking account. What are the benefits of using a credit card? Benefits can include building credit history, convenience, purchase protection, rewards programs, and the ability to borrow money in emergencies. What are the risks of using a credit card? Risks can include accumulating debt, paying high interest rates, damaging credit if payments are missed, and susceptibility to fraud or identity theft. How does interest work on credit cards? Interest is charged on the outstanding balance if the full amount isn't paid by the due date. Interest rates can vary and are often expressed as an annual percentage rate (APR). What is a credit score, and how does it relate to credit cards? A credit score is a numerical representation of an individual's creditworthiness. Responsible credit card usage, such as making payments on time and keeping balances low, can positively impact credit scores. What fees are associated with credit cards? Common fees include annual fees, late payment fees, over-limit fees, foreign transaction fees, and cash advance fees. How can one avoid credit card debt? Strategies to avoid credit card debt include budgeting, only charging what can be repaid in full each month, paying bills on time, and being mindful of spending habits. What should I do if my credit card is lost or stolen? Immediately contact the card issuer to report the loss or theft. They can freeze the account to prevent unauthorized charges and issue a replacement card.